Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Otter.ai account. For that, just go and open your app and you will be taken straight to your login page. There you can log in with your Apple, Microsoft and Google account. If you have these platforms linked to this Otter.ai, that will be a lot easier, but if not, tap on continue with work email and there you have to enter your email address and tap on next button. You will get a prompt to enter your password. Just tap on forgot password right below that password entering area and they will send you email or SMS for verification. Then enter that code over here and from that you can recover your reset your password and go back to your login page and enter your email and password, and that is how you can recover your Otter.ai account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.